I'm Andrew Urban from Keller Realty. Welcome to 883 and 885 West K Street in Benicia, California. This duplex is about 1,800 square feet. It has a studio downstairs and a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom main house upstairs, as well as a detached garage from an alley in the back of the property. So, of course, this property could also be a single family. East down West K Street towards Benicia downtown. We're on the corner of West K and 9th Street. We're looking south and now west on West K Street. There's the corner with West 9th Street. And here is our property. We're going to go inside and have a look right now. As we come to the property, let's first go to the downstairs studio apartment number 883. The living area of this studio. Again, there's a big window that looks out the front of the house. There's a smaller window that looks out the side of the house. And here is the sleeping platform part of the studio. And right next to it would be a washer dryer that comes with the unit. Nice and spacious. It has, the whole upstairs has Anderson dual pane windows that look original but are actually quite modern. And we go into the dining area, which also leads into the kitchen and into the bathroom and into the back of the house.